Hello students! You guys have been asking me to show you Bella, and so here she is. She's having a little nap on the couch. She just got in a little while ago from a walk in the golf course, which is a place that dogs are allowed off leash at this time of the year. And she was playing with a bunch of friends, and it's actually raining today, believe it or not, even though we are in Canada and it's February. It's just one of those unusual days when it just has a change in temperature. And so Bella had a little snack and she got home, and now we are here, and I wanted to show you something. Well, first of all, I might as well look at this sign since it's there. It says, "Join on Facebook Mothers Against Dairy to learn the truth about milk." There's always so many comments from people who think that cows need to be milked, which they don't. They don't need humans to interact with them at all. They just need to be left alone with their babies. Their babies will drink their milk. And I want to show you this account that I have here, one of the accounts on TikTok. And just to show you that I am trying as much as possible to follow back anybody who follows me there. So if they say follow, I'm just going to press follow back, whoever it is, it doesn't really matter. I will follow back anybody who follows me on this account because I just think it's very sweet of you guys to support me. So I'm going to do that. What I can do then is I refresh the page, and then it says like, when did these people follow me? So this is somebody who just started following me right now. So I want to thank you. Thank you for following me. And this person also just started following me. Don't know who it is, but I'm going to follow you guys. And like I said, with this account, I'm going to try to follow as many people as I can. The problem is that lately, you can see that there's a lot of people following kind of all at the same time. And so it's not always easy for me to follow back everybody. This is a minute ago, it's a minute ago, a minute ago, another minute ago. And thank you so much for following me, everybody. If you follow me on this account, I will follow you back. Let's see. I'm going to show you what this account is. So I'm going to go down here to profile. So this account is an account that I have where I'm trying to encourage a young man named Ryan Sutherland to become vegan. So I have an account here, Ryan Comedy Official Vegan, because his channel is Ryan Comedy over on YouTube. So I'm writing official vegan. So the idea here is that when he becomes vegan, I can give him this account. So he'll already have a pre-made account with lots and lots of followers. So we'll see if that works out. And yeah, so that's basically what we're doing. So I have 18,000 followers on this account right now. If you're not following this account yet, come and do so. It's called Ryan Comedy Official with the word vegan added at the end. So his channel is Ryan Comedy Official, and I added the word vegan at the end. And so I've been posting some things here. Here's a song that I'm singing, for example, and here's a video that I posted, and it has 11,000 views, and I just posted that about an hour ago. So this channel, people seem to be interested in it. And by the way, somebody wrote to me about this cinnamon bun, and they said that they Googled cinnamon buns and they thought that I was eating a non-vegan cinnamon bun. And of course I wouldn't do that. Of course this is a vegan cinnamon bun. So some people who are really young, like 10, 12 years old here, they say that they don't understand yet that you can make vegan cinnamon buns without egg, without milk. So anyways, I'm trying to answer as many people as I can. You can see over there's a picture of my husband and I. And there's a picture of me here. This is another video where somebody was asking if I was pregnant. So you can go and see that if you're interested. And sometimes I have some thoughts and I talk about what I thought about when I got out of the shower. That's another one. And here's me responding to different comments in the car. And this is a character I created on another channel called That Non-Vegan Therapist, the worst therapist in the world. So I posted that video there. What else do we have? We have where I duet this Ryan. This is Ryan, by the way, the gentleman that I'm hoping is going to become vegan. And this video has 160,000 views. And another one that I duetted of him, I guess people like that one a lot because it has 1.3 million views. And that one, I'm just kind of being silly. And I am he's making fun of that vegan teacher, like as if she always wants to just come in there and tell everybody what to do. So I just kind of duetted his thing. And although this looks like it's only a 9-second video, something like that actually takes a really long time to do. I actually practiced this and did it about 2 o'clock in the morning till about 4 in the morning. I had to watch what he does. I had to think about which part I was going to stitch in the video, what my approach was going to be. And so I decided that I was going to be the angry version of that vegan teacher who is saying basically, no, don't bite into it, because he's trying to say that he's eating non-vegan. And what I did is I just said no. I put no on there, and I put don't eat cats or cows, and I have my don't eat cats or cows tie on, you can see there. And of course trying to say that better be a vegan burger and go vegan, and just working as much as I can, as hard as I can, to reach as many young people as I can who are not so indoctrinated yet, although it's kind of hard, but to try to encourage people to become vegan, to learn the truth. And if you want to stitch this video, I'm asking here, just turn the volume up.
Become vegan. Stitch this. What touched your heart to make you become vegan? Stitch this. What touched your heart to make you become vegan?
So that in that particular video, as I was saying, I'm asking people to stitch that and tell me what made them become vegan. So this is the other video I was telling you about, where I am using the same, he's trying to really taunt me there. He's saying, look, I'm putting extra meat on my ice cream and everything, but I put this on top here. So I wrote, so proud to be eating my vegan ice cream, as if he's saying that. And if you love animals, don't hurt them. My vegan ice cream with extra mayo. And of course, he's not actually doing that. He's trying to taunt me and basically say, I don't want to be vegan. But, you know, he seems like he would be a nice young man, actually, if I met him in real life. I don't know for sure. But, oh, I just realized I could see my reflection there. Hi. And so I'm basically in this thing sort of encouraging him. And there's a sticker actually that says Ryan over on TikTok. So I'm saying here to remind people, watch Google Dairy is Scary, to see baby cows being kidnapped from their mothers and murdered so humans can steal their milk to make ice cream. So hopefully when people see that video, 160,000 saw that video, they will also see that message and be encouraged to go and watch the important documentaries. So thank you very much for having a look at my little channel here. If you haven't yet subscribed to this one, feel free to do so. And I'll show you quickly actually another channel that I have, which is I Love Bella Vegan Dog. If you're interested, you can go and see that one. This has 12,000 followers at the moment. So that's another channel of mine that you can follow. And here I'm doing some dancing with various people. And I'm doing some speeches. Sometimes I do speeches that I actually put on YouTube, like this one. And just all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested, you can follow that account too. And let me see, while I'm here, if there's anything else that I could show you. I think that's enough for today. I'll show you some other videos, maybe in another time. I'll show you in other channels that I have. All right, so thanks for being here. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and press the notification bell. And of course, help us get the animals out of hell so that everybody can have a nice, beautiful life like Bella Vegan Dog here. She's doing perfectly fine. There's no need to worry about her. She's been vegan since August 2017, and she's 100% healthy, and we love her very much. See you in the next video. Bye for now.